This is my wiring for the flow sensor. It is currently off and the Y0 is not activated. This is the program also not activated. This is the program activated and working whenever the button is pressed. And whenever the program is activated, the Y1 lights up. So this is my wiring. I have the terminals connected correctly, and then I have the power supply going into the positive and negative of the block, and then I have the negative going into the channel 1 and the positive being sourced from the power supply. This is my code running without the objective being completed. Therefore, the Y001 out does not light up. This is the program activating after the set 28 reading, which then lights up the Y1. This is my data from the pressure sensor with the code running. This is the wiring for the pressure sensor, and it is just connected to the supply. And then this is the sensor disconnected. This is my program just reading the source and then sending it to another destination. It is currently reading 22 and changing. This is my wiring, which is connected to the transducer, which has the power cord running to the wall and the computer. Code for the level transmitter. It is currently working, but this is my wiring for the sensor, which you approved. And when showing it to you live, you said the sensor was likely broken, and to just remind you that you okayed it.